Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Wonder Kids Wonders episode today. My voice is so damn low, I don't even know why. But anyway guys, let's get straight into it. This is kind of just like I always say, just a little chit chat. So for you guys that just want to enjoy watching me talk about little personal things and things that have happened in my week, then feel free to sit down and just hear me out for whatever duration of this video is. But anyway, let's get straight into it. So today I'm going to be talking about this week. It has been the first week of November, and today the date is Sunday the 7th of November, so I had my first trading week of November. Now for me, I've had taken a lot more losses than wins. In fact, I didn't even have any winners. I was meant to have a couple of winners, but I didn't get tagged into the trade, unfortunately. But there you go, that is fine. That's probabilities playing out for me. Not a problem at all. Now for me, I know my back testing results, and the community also know that even with the strategy, November is typically a tough month. But then again, I'm okay with that. I've got the rest of November to look forward to and to see what great opportunities I'll be in. So like I say, you know, for me, I'm letting you guys know essentially, yes, I've had a week full of losers, but then again, as traders, you will experience that. So I'm okay with that. Just look forward to more opportunities to come, and let's go and kill it. Anyway, guys, let me know what you've been up to this week/weekend. If you've been up to anything fun, write down in the comment section below if you have done anything remotely interesting this week. For me, as you know, guys, as you can tell, I'm brown. So, well, I am basically Indian. So it's been Diwali week this week, and it's been New Year. So I've spent a lot of time with family. We've basically had events together. You may have even had fireworks in your local area if you've been in London or if anywhere in the world. But essentially, there's been a lot of fireworks around. That is, of course, all of us are celebrating New Year. So it has been absolutely fantastic with regards to Diwali. But anyway, guys, I hope your trading week is going well. And I just want to say one of the things that have happened this week actually is from my community. We've had our mentor release his own video on their YouTube channel all about his story, and it's been really interesting to hear. I know my mentor's story for a long time actually, and of course he went out and videoed it. He went back to all the areas that he visited, where he lived, where he was a kid, and all these other things, and it was a fantastic video, very inspirational. Now, one of the key things that I want to talk about in this video today, and probably the greatest, I guess, value point that I can bring to you based on that video is that for my mentor really believed in trading. For him, it was essentially life or death. Like, he knew, like, this is the thing that he wanted to do. He spent years and years trying to work out how to become consistently profitable, and he was kind of at this kind of breaking point, and it was that point where he actually developed the strategy where essentially he told us, he's basically said he got rid of the ego, he got rid of the idea of trying to win all the time and have a good strike rate, and got into the idea of essentially not caring about strike rate but caring about percentages and thinking in percentages and coming out in positive percentage at the end of every month. And that is where essentially he became very profitable, which is, again, like I always tell you guys, like, it is in trading, you have to be a good loser. Like, you have to be okay with losses. So, you know, my mentor is very inspirational when it comes to that. So for him, it was kind of like, it's either this or nothing, and he wanted to make sure that, you know, he never has to worry about the money side of things, so his family and everything can live healthy. And it's been a fantastic story for him, very inspirational. Now for me, guys, you know, for me is actually very similar. Like, the way I shoot trading is, to me, again, for me, is life and death. Like, it's either I want to become the best, well, I will become the best trader in the world, or there's no point me even being around, because trading to me is everything. Like, I give everything to this game. So, you know, that is how it is for me. So I guess that's one of the reasons why, you know, I've excelled very quickly. And I think that's probably one of the key takeaways for you guys to hear about, is that the success or the kind of progress you make essentially in trading is a question of how bad do you want it. Like, that is the truth. Like, for my mentor, he developed this strategy basically because he wanted it so bad, and this strategy is very unique to him. And of course, he's come and taught us that. And it is based on essentially just purely reading candlesticks, which is absolutely brilliant. So again, for you traders out there, the question is, in terms of your success and how quick you achieve that, is how bad do you want it? Like, literally, how bad do you want to be a consistently profitable trader, be earning that money and be living that kind of lifestyle, whatever it is, or just, you know, giving back to the community, or doing whatever you like. Like, for me, I do these videos just because, well, I like YouTubing, I like speaking to people, I like giving you guys value, but also, you know, like forming like a new network and seeing where this goes. Of course, like, I'm definitely going to have ideas for this channel, and I've shared it in my last Wonder Kids Wonders episodes. But yeah, that is one of the main things. So guys, I just want you guys to keep your chin up. If you're experiencing losers, don't worry. I had a very losing week last week. It happens. Don't worry at all. This is part of the journey as a trader, and it's only going to make you better. So keep your chin up, and also keep putting in the effort as much as you can. I completely get it. Like, sometimes emotions can get the better of us. Of course, we are emotional beings. Like, when you're feeling down, you don't feel like doing much, and that's okay. Like, take some time out, chill out. Like, for me, you guys know, like, my week is very, very hectic. It is very, very almost solid in terms of work and doing all these things. Like, I literally have work blocks and do that throughout the week. But when it comes to the weekend, it's time to relax for me, just to take it easy. Now, some people want to work through the weekends, and that's up to you. That's completely fine. But of course, like, there is this very, like, work hard culture going on, where we're told, like, success is working hard all the time. And yeah, I get it, that's fine, but don't forget the element of working smart. Like, for example, you can't tell someone, okay, like, work hard and work 24 hours a day on studying this. Like, you can't function 24 hours in a day. Like, that's obviously very optimal because you're basically working all the time, every time, but it's not optimal because you need your sleep. Sleep is very important, to a degree. Well, it is very important because your brain needs to recover. Your brain needs to repair your body. Your brain needs to consolidate memory and all these other things. So essentially, guys, remember, working hard and working smart are two things. So don't forget about working smart. Make sure that your health is good, especially as a trader. Very, very important. And like I always say before, for me, like, what really helps my mentality is not only meditation but exercising. I love exercising. It relieves a lot of stress and makes me fitter in the process. So that is very good. So guys, remember that even if you're not feeling emotionally great, then don't worry, chill out, and then just figure out how you can pick yourself back up and then go at it again. But again, this kind of mentality, it is exactly how I think, and I really want you guys to hone that in. So I don't want you guys to be ever feeling defeated by losses in trading, because it will be there. But remember, take the losses as long as you're sticking to your plan. If you're taking losses and you're changing your risk management rules, like saying, okay, I'm going to risk 2% more than over 1%, like because it's a very high probability trade, for example, that's not a clever idea. As long as you're sticking to your rules and you're taking the losses there and you're evaluating if those were part of your plan, if they weren't, and if they were good trades, etc., then that is fine. Keep that up, and that is the route to becoming a great trader. So there you have it, guys. Anyway, I think this video was just a very, very quick one. I think I just wanted to highlight, like, my mentor's video that he released this week on I think it's called Rags to Riches, his story. So guys, go and check that out. It's on Guerrilla Trading YouTube channel. It is actually a really, really interesting video from my mentor. He's the individual that, of course, has provided myself and the community all this kind of content to help us become great traders. Now, of course, like, he provides the content. It's up to us to actually put in the work to go and do it. And not only, like I say, not only working hard, but working smart. So, shout out to the traders out there. If you guys are, like, watching this and you're a trader and you're really, really working hard at this and you're not doing silly things like risking your whole account and all this and that, shout out to you. Like, you really are putting in the grind. And, like we always say, like, trading can be a lonely business. Like, it is. Like, you guys know my kind of lifestyle, very, very secluded, very, very much on my own at this moment in time. So just want you to know that there are other people out there, willing to listen to you and hear you, and to let you know that, yeah, you might be feeling crap and there might not be many people around you, because, like I say, it is a lonely business. But keep your chin up, keep fighting. You're going to become emotionally stronger and stronger and stronger. And to me, it's funny because I actually go through this every week, if not multiple times in the week. Like, I will literally be like, oh man, I should have been in that trade, or oh, that was a great trade, but I need to bring it back. Like, I need to be okay. And basically try and get to neutrality. But like I always say, losers are more often than wins, especially for me, which is completely fine. But I kick myself for that, and you're going to. But of course, over time, you get better at not kicking yourself so strongly, I'd put, but basically being like, okay, it's a loss. Okay, fine. Did it meet my plan? Yes, it did. Fine. Okay, I care a lot less, essentially. So anyway, that's very, very honest, and that is the truth about it. So, just want to tell you guys, like, big respect to you guys if you're putting in the effort, and every time you're putting in the effort, you are becoming a better trader, okay? So just keep it consistent, and yeah, it will definitely come. Anyway, great things coming up for me, actually, in a couple weeks time. So my community is meeting up in Mayfair. We're going to Sexy Fish restaurant, which is going to be amazing, and that is I think they've hired out the whole venue, which is absolutely awesome. So in a couple weeks time, I'll be suited and booted, and ready to go to my community's gathering in London, which will be absolutely awesome. I may vlog, I may not. I've never actually brought my camera out and done some vlogs on this trading channel, so I may do that. And if you guys actually want to see that, and guys, actually tell me, literally, if you guys want to see me like actually walk around and like whatever I do on my Saturdays and Sundays, like if you want to be with me on that and you want me to record what I do, like if it's out and about, then let me know, because I'll be willing if you guys actually want it. So don't be shy if you want to watch and see what I get up to on the weekends, rather than me just being in my bedroom all the time and recording this. But anyway, I want to leave it at that, guys. Like I say, you know, keep your chin up, keep your head up. You know, this is the most challenging part of trading, is taking the losses. So I can imagine that, you know, quite a few watchers here will be feeling a bit rubbish if you've taken a lot of, or quite a few losses, especially when it comes to November. To me, November is the more difficult month compared to all the other months, relative as well, according to my backtesting results. So, you know, keep your chin up, keep your head up, and keep it going. But yeah, like I say, guys, message anything you want to see from me in the comment section below. And if you had any thoughts on this video, let me know down below. But guys, genuinely hope you have a fantastic trading week. Go out there and smash it. Keep healthy. Keep yourself in top shape and keep smashing it. Honestly, you guys are, all my followers, all my subscribers, going to be the best traders in the world. I guarantee you. Why? Because not only I'm giving you that value, but you are also seeking it. Because you wouldn't have found my channel if you weren't seeking that kind of genuine value. Like you see in my channel, like I'm not talking about, oh, I made 100 grand, oh, I made 200 grand, oh, I made like 3,000 pips or anything stupid like that. Like I'm literally giving you advice on psychology. I'm showing you how I read price action. I know a lot of people started to like my backtesting videos, so I probably will definitely put out some more backtesting videos. So guys, you know, you are genuinely out for the quality, not to actually go on this kind of clickbait and listen to people with their money and earnings and this and that. And that's fine, you can, but then again, you know, my channel is more pure value. So I hope you guys are taking a lot from this channel, and I hope you guys are actually integrating it into your trading careers. So anyway, guys, like I say, I hope you have a fantastic trading week. Feel free to communicate to me, like write down in the comment section below anything, any of your thoughts, but also feel free to DM me on my Instagram. My Instagram is at WonderKidTrading, so feel free to reach me out on there. But again, have a fantastic trading week. Take care, guys. Peace.